Hi there. It's Sunday afternoon and I've just started machining the front edge square to this face, or at 90 to this face, so I'm side milling. I've got a 1/4 inch end mill in there, carbide, and because this unit is just sitting on the rough casting, there's no flat surface at the bottom, so it's able to rock if you put too heavy a cut on. So all I'm doing is I'm taking a 10th cut, a face cut, and I've got to go down until I clean up the material on this face to a depth of at least just over 3/4 of an inch. So I'm doing it in stages. I guess I'm taking a cut with a depth of I guess about 1/2 inch. Yeah, about 1/2 inch. And I've just got an ordinary 2D code, and I just put on a 10th cut. I just press the start. I've got it on a feed of in Mac on 3, and I've increased it up to 170 on the scale on the Mac 3. So it goes down and then it comes back on the same pass, and then it stops at this end again. Then I just put another 10th on until I figure that I'm going to clean up that face to a depth of at least 3/4 of an inch to 0.8, and that will I'll get the paper, I'll get the drawing. Yeah, that will allow me, see what I'm doing now is I'm doing this face down here. Okay, that's like an extension from the casting. That's the 60-degree angle for the slide that runs along, and there's this ledge that comes out, and so the total depth from the top there down to there, underneath there, is 0.763, I think it is, something like that. So I've got to go deeper than that, and then I'll be able to mill this out here, this radius. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, and that also gives me a datum. What I can do is once I've got this face finished, I can then release this, put an angle plate and rest this face down on the table, and then I can mill this edge here. It's not very straight along here. There's at this end the metal curves out, so it will cut better when I'm cutting in that direction rather than the way that's going there. So I guess that's my what I might do. Yeah, okay, what I might do is carefully, once I've got this face deep enough, I can then remove the metal from the top face down to that level, and also in this way to the front face of the dovetail. So then I can finish that off. I'll probably leave some material on there for final finishing, but I need to get this thing all squared up, and also to turn this over, lay this on the table and get a machine a flat on this part down here, so that when I place this, if I need to, it will be on a flat surface, and it will be a better clamping arrangement. What I may do as well before I attempt this edge is to just clean up in here, because I've got to do a CNC cut down. It's not going to be a circle, it's going to go down at a slight angle on each side, and then just a small radius at the bottom. That's how the original is. So that's not going to be a circle, a half a circle in there. It's going to be deeper, and it's going to be angled sides and then a radius at the bottom. So I might just clean up to just a narrow depth all the way along there when I find my center. So hope you can understand all that. You'll see as I go along, I guess. It will become plainer. Okay, I'm going to put another cut on, and put another cut on. The reason that I'm cutting into the metal is that this is so long that I've got it situated where the plate on this end comes very close to the outside carriage of the y-axis, and I don't want it to jam, so I haven't got much space for clearance. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not going past the surface before I put a cut on. Okay. It's only 10 thou, I know, but it moves the metal, and it's safe at that stage. You know, if you've got a flimsy setup, you can't. It's not advisable to work to the calculations that you get for speed and feed and cut. You've just got to, I guess you've got to be do it freelance and listen to what's happening, and maybe I could take a bigger cut, but the trouble is that this is just sitting on the base of that old casting. If you look around here, you'll see the other half of the casting, and as you can see, it's pretty damn rough. It's all scale and nothing's flat or anything, so I have to be careful. Okay. It's going pretty, not bad. It's going for 60 thou, no, 40 thou I've taken off. I took a cut before I set the camera up. So it's not going bad. There's going to be a lot of finishing off to do. I've got a little blowhole there, just at that point there. Just, yeah, a little hole, nothing much. Nothing to worry about anyway. That's more or less what I'm working to, that drawing. Of course I can blow everything up when I'm on the computer, so although it's small on the paper, yeah, this on the original is all one casting, the whole lot there. So I'm going to have to make it in two, so I'm going to have to get another block, and it'll only be about 1 inch wide, and I'll have to position it so that I can put the radius in there, which I can do with my y-axis and a radius on the x and y, and that way I can make up blocks and probably screw down or screw up into it, and that will be these two pieces here. And then of course there'll be another bar 1 inch wide, I think 1 inch high, that I can just attach to the ends, and that will finish the whole thing off there. So so I'll switch the camera off at the end of this run, just to give you an idea of the progress, and see how I'm doing it. Notice that the last couple of videos that I took, the short ones in machining this, I held by hand and it was very shaky, so I'm going to try and resist doing that in future. So, okay, I'll just switch that off, and I'll see you again. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.